Hi guys, this is Carl. So here in Chatfield community, there's a member who has some difficulty with Dialogflow, and here she wants to have some. I want to print any word that come after suitable for, but Dialogflow don't do that. It prints just word which are synonym to variable specialty. Is there something missing I didn't do? So let's check our setup first. So there's an intent called clinic available, and here we can see suitable for weight loss. Specialty is an entity, and here we see that the default response in Dialogflow is not kicking in. So let's jump to Dialogflow. I created an entity which is similar to the one that we've seen, specialties, with a bunch of medical expertise specialties such as cardiology or dental. And in this case, you see weight loss specific weight loss program. You would notice that there's no synonym to any of the words, the variables, which are part of this entity, and there's a reason why. Let's go back to the intent I just created. So clinic available, the same one that we just saw. And I created as well similar training phrases. So I'm looking for a weight loss program, suitable for weight loss program, suitable for dental. And here in the response block, I just made a text response with a response. So you're looking for a suitable and then $ specialty. This is to trigger the collected value here. So let's see how it works now. So suitable for weight loss. So you're looking for a suitable weight loss. Suitable for weight loss program. So you're looking for a suitable weight loss program. And then suitable for dental. So you're looking for a suitable dental. So why is that responding with the exact same word all the time? Well, because the entity that I created has no synonym. So therefore, each time that Dialogflow is triggered to answer back one of the word, it's always the exact replica. So that's why sometimes it's better to create entities which have no synonym if you'd like to have a variable or a parameter that is returned back into either Dialogflow, Chatfuel, or any integration that you have, and to match the exact word. I'll have another video later that can do the similar thing for context. If you have two similar intents that you want to have a different display for the answer, depending on if it's an intent which has a context or another one. But for the example, I hope it answer the problem that user have. If I'm going to publish this YouTube video, just go down either on the Chatfield community and just make a comment or comment on the YouTube video. So I hope that it will solve your problem. If not, just come either to me, and I'm always available on Facebook Messenger if you want to chat with me about any of Dialogflow problem. So have a nice day, guys.